You're listening to Shift for Success, a podcast created about helping creators be successful at creating. Welcome back to another Shift for Success. I have some exciting news for you guys. I have created Shift for Success as a channel to help content creators and aspiring YouTubers learn the ins and outs of YouTube and content creation. And in doing so, I have learned a lot on my own. And it's been countless hours of research and trial and error. But I have an offer for you guys that I think will help you out a lot. So obviously you have the regular YouTube videos from Shift for Success on talking about different tips and tricks here and there, right? But I created a Patreon page, and on this Patreon page, we're going to go more in depth. We're going to dive deeper into how to do it. And I'm going to share with you guys a lot of the tools that I use and things that I implement, processes, so on and so forth, about what I use to be successful on YouTube and why my videos are being suggested through the algorithm. So, what I've done is I've created 3 tiers on Patreon under Shift for Success. And those 3 tiers are: Tier 1, you're just an official Patreon. It's $1 a month. You get 1 extra video a month that's not going to be posted on the YouTube channel. And I'm going to pack this video with a lot more detail and in-depth information than I pack into my regular YouTube videos. And I think it's going to help you guys a lot. I am excited to share what I know with you guys through that extra video a month. But that is Tier 1. Tier 2, it is $5 a month, and I'm going to give you that extra video a month. And I am also going to include a list of all of the tools that I use with links, all of the equipment that I use with links, and a full detailed list on how I do it and what I use. I'm going to give you my flow chart with an outlined, detailed, step-by-step how I go about creating a video, editing it, publishing it, uploading it, doing your search engine optimization on it, and all of the above. That is Tier 2. And for Tier 3, this is something that I looked for specifically when I first started YouTube. I sought out a YouTube coach. I was looking hard, and it's hard to find a YouTube coach, especially when you're just starting out, because they're expensive. And what I want to do for you guys is, for Tier 3 at $20 a month, I will do a channel evaluation on your YouTube channel, podcast, whatever it is, whatever your content creating about, and give you my feedback on it, on what I think you're doing right, what I think you can improve on, and and we'll come up with an action plan and a game plan. And I will give you all of the information that I have and help you as much as I can to get through that initial phase on YouTube. And you'll also get the tier 1 and tier 2 access when you're in tier 3. But in tier 3, you're going to have one-on-one communication with me. And I'm going to spend a little bit of time putting together an evaluation and give you my feedback. That way I can help you guys as much as I can, because that's what I really want to do, is I want to be able to help other people accomplish their dreams, basically, which is what I'm doing currently. And it's pretty awesome. I mean, the podcast cast across Spotify, iTunes Music, Sounder FM, published through Buzzsprout, into Amazon Music or Podcasts and Google Podcasts. It's actually doing really well, and I'm enjoying it. And this is kind of marking a big turning point for the channel, because a lot of what I have uploaded and published and sent out so far has been, more so done in my spare time. And the difference now being is this is going to get a whole lot more of my attention. And I'm looking into creating courses and really building this out into being something that is very useful and beneficial to others. So this video right here marks the turning point for this channel. We are going to go after it, and go after it hard. All of us together. And if you guys really want to be a part of it and really want to level up your content creation and your YouTube channel game, and then I really want to encourage you guys to go over and check out Patreon. I'm going to link it in the description below. I think it's really going to help you guys. Now, that's all I'm given in this episode. That's all we're talking about. So, thanks for listening, guys. Thanks for watching on YouTube. Go check out Patreon. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one.